Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change your Discord bio. So what you have to do is first of all go into your Play Store and search out for Discord application. When you find it, just have to tap on it and make sure that's updated. And if it's not, just do it because new features won't be available on the previous version of the Discord application. When you do that, open up the Discord application on your mobile phone devices, your PC, your Macs, or any of the desktop that you are using. So once you get there, you just have to go into the profile that is at the right bottom corner of your screen. You get there, just need to go into your user profile, that is the third option in the user settings. When you get over there, here it is, you can write your bio. You can write anything you need to. And when you do that up to 190 words, this is it. You simply go back and you sure about the changes? Yes, I am sure. So this was the process by which you can change your Discord bio. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.